Just a quick video on how to remove the data cables from a DataLogic PowerScan BC-8060 base station. And if you look closely, there's two pinholes around the spot where the barcode scanner rests. And if you have a paper clip, all you have to do is give it a little poke, like that. And it should release the locking clip, and you should be able to pull it out. Now, sometimes these might be in a bind, so you may have to push the cable inwards towards the base station to relieve the tension on the locking clip, and then push down with the paper clip while pulling outwards on the cable to release it. But if you're lucky and the system isn't too clogged up full of dust, this little rubber boot that's around the RJ45 connector kind of acts like a spring. So in some cases you can just poke at that to release the clip and it'll come out. I think this unit's a little too dirty though. There we go. But yeah, hopefully that's helpful, and thanks for watching.